Another update on the Bertram build. Been a while since my last one, been flat out with work and everything else, but we finally got this through stem bow roller happening. There's a lot of work in that, but basically this whole mechanism roller section in here actually drops down. As it drops down, pushes the anchor forward. So that's a 15 kilo Bruce anchor, fits up in there really nice. Also got the tow hook all done. That's all reinforced so we can moor this thing on a swing mooring if we want. It's all upgrade and 316 stainless. So it's all looking pretty cool, and not much has happened inside, but we got some fiberglass work done. Had some parts made up on the Gold Coast. We're just working out how we're going to put these in, but I'm actually thinking about making a new mould for the transom part of the gunnel to accommodate this massive live bait tank. This is actually going to be moved as far back as we can get it, and we'll put a shelf, enclosed shelf in here to house some batteries and pumps and a few other things, so that'll actually come across, and then that curve will step out and come back with a mirrored shelf and storage compartment on the other side. Actually got some 90mm tuna tubes made as well. These will go into the deck, one on each side. These are all going to be plumbed up with a sea chest, so I can regulate the flow a bit easier. And I'm also considering making this pressurized. Not 100% sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I think with the deck mould that I do for the back, it'll incorporate a recessed lid so we can run some 1-inch acrylic for the lid that seals, and then just manage our overflow with a ball valve so we can pressurize it. But yeah, that's about it. The naval architect is currently working on the pod. We are doing a calculation for that tank as well, because that's nearly 200 litres, that tank, I believe. So that's a lot of weight, and with that and the added weight of the gyro that'll go there, it means that the pod doesn't actually need as much buoyancy as what we originally would have made it. So yeah, we've got all the balance points for this hull now. It's all been weighed and everything else, so we can just keep calculating the weight differences that we're putting into it. So yeah, now that I've got these and I've sort of got that front section, the bow roller where I want it, I can finish cutting this floor up now and build a new stringer system, because we're going to get rid of all this and the center keelson as well. Get some new tanks made. I can get a pair of 350 litre tanks in there, and yeah, we'll get them in, and then we'll build the floor around the tanks. Yeah, I've changed my mind about how I was going to do the hard top and the glass. I was going to do half glass, half clears to the hard top. I'm now going to go glass all the way to the top of the hard top, and I'm going to step the side windows down a little bit, and then it'll have clears on the side. So on those hot days we can piss those clears off and get some good airflow through. But yeah, starting to tick a few boxes off, and now we can start doing some cutting and some glassing, I think. I'll try and do another video in the next few weeks with hopefully all this dummied up in position and working some plumbing and stuff out on it.